Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Traits and Deeds to Prepare Us for Unity Consciousness. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. September 6, 2019. All our parallel personalities, expressions and our other bodies desirous of shift to higher consciousness are unified at each individual unity field of consciousness. We start to realize that we are multidimensional and are fully imbued with unconditional love. We surround our personalities with love, compassion and kindness to unify our bodies. We give light to people who need light and share intense energies we receive constantly. On the planet, we have worst examples: Philippines, Pacific Islands, 99% spiritually asleep country, has been colonized for 500 years, controlled, influenced and converting each person to false beliefs and subservience through governance and religion till today, done to us by 7 countries one after the other. The last conquest is through education, that theirs is the best, and the longest is through the cross. We host citizens of nations in distress or siege like Israel, Vietnam, and South Korea. Negative events are common in the Middle East, even in North America, the sad plight of the planet, living in dense energies. I saw the ASEAN in Southeast Asia organized 50 years ago, and now going strong, a positive note of countries in cooperation. Despite horrendous situations, live, enjoy and share our light, reasons that will lift humanity to higher consciousness. Awareness, innate love, compassion and kindness are getting stronger traits that will tilt the balance to spiritual changes. Realization of who we really are, infinite beings and powerful creators, are extremely necessary. Be heart-centered, grounded and focused as always. With emotions thence feelings for love, you know who you are. Compassion is taking a foothold with politicians and governed who listen and discuss issues, a mode of resolving human problems. On a family level, learn to understand each individual member with different beliefs and analytical means. Heart-centered, kind, pure love, sharing, grounded, focused and compassion are major traits that will assist us be part of the shift to higher consciousness. Get prepared. Make all these traits fill your hearts and minds, and all done routinely. Pray to Source, the Divine Mind, to give everyone what they need. Be receptors of high-frequency energies. For all of us, watch the beauty of nature on Earth, a paradise unappreciated. Would you believe that brisk walking and appreciation of nature are the strongest ways to overpower negative emotions applied and done after a negative spat with any person? Make it a routine 45 minutes exercise, and make your body fit for the shift. Traits are even hard for the sharing nor the reading, hard to master, but you can. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., September 1, 2019. About the author: Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, share teachings at universities, boards and associations. Link at heyornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or e-books and articles at the net.